Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. If you're new and this is your first time by, or you've come by and you've enjoyed what you've seen, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon. It really helps the channel, and I just want to thank all the channel members. I appreciate y'all more than you know. So today we have part two of our unboxing, and this is an unbagging, which I'm going to go ahead and get my Jason Grant small J Cal. And that's right, guys, another Kizer. So I could flash back in my knife collecting career. Gosh, year and a half, 2 years ago. This was not an uncommon unboxing. However, lately, I have not, I don't know the last time I unboxed a Kizer. I unboxed one about 10 minutes ago before this package was delivered and shared it with you guys. But this is the second Kizer in the same day. So what we have here, guys, how intriguing, an LPN RRGN 866. So let's slide it out of its little sleeve. And we've got our Kizer box here. We've got a Kizer sticker and another sticker with an angry little, I like it, the flying wombat guy. And then we've got that. Looks like we do have some extra hardware, pivot, assembly, screws. That's always good to see. And then we've got our knife. So guys, like I said, I haven't been excited by or really had my eye on any Kizer in quite a while, till this knife came out. And this is the Kizer Varatas. I think that's how you pronounce it. But a really thin knife that looked so well done when I'd seen it at Blade Show. It's a front flipper. I love the way they did the captive pivot, the square pivot. You've got this tumbled, stone-washed S35VN, Maker's Mark logo there. I'm not aware who that is, but I will be by the time I do the review. So I don't know if you can see it's heavily milled for weight relief. Even though it's a full tie knife, it feels very, very light. Feels good in the hand. Got this forward finger choil that works really nice. Let's grab some paper and see how it cuts. And guys, full disclosure, I suck at cutting paper. Very slicey. Very smooth through the paper. Yeah, that gets an A+ on factory edge sharpness. But yeah, guys, this knife looked really interesting to me. I was bopping around. I don't know what I was looking for on Amazon. Great access to that lock bar. I think I was looking for the zip slip. I was just looking at Kizer knives because I think I picked up the zip slip and this both kind of as an impulse buy. And this was an impulse buy that I didn't expect to see, because I haven't been able to, not that I've been looking, but I've not seen this knife in the wild a lot. I saw it at Blade Show, I've seen it on a video or two, and when I saw that it was available with Prime delivery and I could get it on Sunday, you know how we do. I just kind of felt guilty to it and picked it up. And then as I was browsing along, I found the little zip slip that I unboxed earlier, which is the Kizer slip joint. Pretty neat little knife. Tell you how I feel about it. Right now I've got the clip off it. Don't know if I'm going to keep it off or not. But this Varatas is one that I really wanted to try. I was curious about it. I'm really curious to give it a good run through the mill. I'll probably put it in my pocket as soon as this video is over and start seeing how it does. Whoops, that was me. It's got really snappy detent. You got nice jimping here. Really nice finger choil. I love, love, love the milling. Little little triangles like that right there. There's one right there. And it's a whole sea of them making up the texture of the knife. Really nice pocket clip. I guess I might as well go ahead and test it. Guys, it goes in and out of pocket pretty well. Let's see. I'm wearing jeans today, so it does. It goes in and out of pocket with no problems whatsoever. And it's not deep carry. Well, I say it's not deep carry. You have about this much of the knife showing. But guys, that is the Kizer Veritas, a knife I thought was really cool. I'm glad to have been inspired by another Kizer, actually two in the same day, the Zip Slip and now the Veritas. I look forward to giving you my full long-term overview and review after I've lived with them for a while. Again, I want to thank all the channel members, and I want to ask any of you that might not have yet to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon next to it. It helps me out a lot, and I promise you it'll notify you of cool content coming out as I continue to tumble through this EDC knife game. But if you would, please look out for the guy or gal to your left, look out for the guy or gal to your right, look out for each other, go forward with love in your heart, choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.